Okay, so this is homework number 6, problem number 10, which is integral from 0 to pi halves of 63 sine to the 6 of x and cosine to the 3 of x dx. So to do this, we're going to need some trigonometric laws, and we're going to need u substitution. And so basically we're going to need to know that sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x is equal to 1. And so therefore we can derive some other laws, which is 1 minus sine squared of x is going to be equal to cosine squared of x, and 1 minus cosine squared of x going to equal sine squared of x. And so to do this, we're going to need to make this, since this is the lower power, we're going to need to make this into an even number, and it's closest to 2, so we're going to need to make this into an even number power, and then change that even number power into this form, and then we can use u substitution to cancel out the one that's left. And so to do that, go to the process, we go 0 pi halves 63 sine 6 of x, and then we do cosine squared of x times cosine x dx. This is the same thing, so 0 to pi halves 63 sine 6 x. Now this is 1 minus sine squared of x times cosine of x. So now we have the same types of functions right here. We have both sine x, and then we have one cosine x, which we can just substitute out. And so we can go over here and do u equals sine x, and du equals cosine x dx. And so we can now cancel out this cosine and transform everything into u, but we also need to transform our bounds. So sine of 0 is 0, and sine of 1 is sine of pi over halves is 1. So now we can have 63 times u to the 6th power times 1 minus u squared, and we cancel that out, so du, or that equals du. So now we have this du here. Now we can multiply out and then find the resultant integral. 0 to 1, 63 u to the 6th minus 63 u to the 8th du. And so now this is an integral that we can solve now. And so we can go in 60, or the integral of u to the 6th is going to be u to the 7th divided by 7, and 63 over 7 is going to be 9. So we have 9 u to the 7th. And then the integral of u to the 8th is u to the 9th over 9, and 63 over 9 equals 7. So now we have 7 u to the 9, and this is our integral from 0 to 1. And what this is going to equal is 1 to any power is 1 times 9 is going to be 9, minus 1 to the any power is 1 times 7 is 7, and then we do simple subtraction and we get answer equals 2, and we are done with this problem.